moving freight on the road. About a third of all strawberries in the United States come from one area, Watsonville, California. When you think about it, it's really far away from New Jersey, over 3,000 miles. Yet, when I walk down to my local grocery store and I look at the strawberries, what do I see? Yep, Watsonville. It says Watsonville right here. Now this is over 3,000 miles away from here. How do they get there? Well, a lot of it has to do with trucks. Lots and lots of trucks. And strawberries have to be refrigerated, so they better move fast. That is what we're going to talk about today. Motor freight and why it is so important. When we consider motor freight, it has several advantages. Speed, it's very fast. Reliability, trucks rarely break down, and if they do, it's only for a very short amount of time. 3, items do not get damaged very often. And 4th, trucks can pretty much get anywhere. There's a road, a truck can drive on it. And when we talk about the other modes of transportation, I want you to keep in mind these advantages that trucking has. Motor freight is also very efficient in a financial sense. Because the roadways are paid for by the government and ultimately the taxpayers, it's a subsidized industry. Most of the cost is in fuel, wages, maintenance, equipment, and user charges. Not all trucks are the same. We need city trucks, usually smaller vehicles that can make it inside of a congested city without a trailer. We load stuff in the back. Then we have line haul vehicles, and they come in different sizes. The most common ones are 40-foot containers that are used often for international shipments and intermodal. The other one is 53-foot containers, which are very popular in the United States and Canada. In addition, we have specialty vehicles such as refrigerated. Our strawberries have to come on those. Livestock containers, automobile carriers, and tankers. When we use different trucks, we connect them with terminals. Terminals are taking products from one truck, sorting them, and then moving them out on a different truck. We're not storing the items in these terminals, even though often they look like warehouses. There are 3 types of terminals. We have pickup and delivery terminals, where we go from a city truck to a line haul vehicle. Then we have cross docks, where we connect networks of transportation together. And finally, we have relay terminals, where we just switch out the cab and put a trailer on a new cab so we have a fresh driver and we move away.